milk. And this 40 right here by my V.
Unlock it.
Somebody!
But it right here remind me like Six Flags, the Batcave ride, bro, the Batman ride. I'm gonna try to record most of that I can. Like I really can't record too much. I ain't got nobody, and I'm holding hella shit. So like, you wanna do nothing else?
Huh?
You wanna do nothing else?
I want to
Yeah, this is his first ride. He finna get on without me, bro. I can't get on because I got like all this. I ain't gonna lie. And I got my phone right now. I'm recording off my phone right now. But I don't want to just leave my phone. I didn't buy a locker. Like, I just got a new phone, bro. I'm not trying to leave my phone. And somebody steal my phone. You know what? I'm gonna spaz out, bro. So I'm just gonna wait it out. Y'all just stay tuned, but like, it's gonna be a real special vlog. I ain't gonna lie. And if you are new to the channel, sub up. It costs $0 to sub up. And knock your daddy out, and your granddaddy, and your uncle. Stop playing with me, bro.
What's up, gang? I went 2 times.
You went 2 times?
Yeah.
What else you get on?
Nah, I didn't on this.
You said you went 2 times? You want to go again, type?
I'm good.
Oh. How you go 2 times?
Huh?
You said you went 2 times? How?
I just took it with me.
Oh.
The person said...
I was waiting on you for a long time. I was like, dang. Ah, he hating on him. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't doing all legs. That boy going hard. No cap. You think you do all that?
No, I want you to do it.
I'm gonna do all that. What this? I bet 100,000 on that. Okay. Man, that little boy might be a minute now. I'm gonna cut the scene. I ain't gonna lie, he's still going. He one of the ones, I ain't gonna lie. I had to cut the scene for a little minute. He's still up there.
Hey guys, Rio fell asleep after being up all day for the last 2 days. You want me to let you all know that he's truly sorry about that? And he just didn't have the energy. But I got on his ass.
Hey. I really didn't record nothing yesterday because like before last night, bro, I haven't slept in like 48 hours, bro. So I was like knocked out. Like soon I got to the room, I was gonna get back out, try to get some content for y'all, but it wasn't nothing for me to do, bro. Soon I got out the shower, laid down. That was it, bro. that was it. And then we had to go get another room because like the room we had, bro, it just wasn't it, bro. So we had to do all that. By the time I got done doing all that, bro, I was just tired, bro. Give y'all a little scenery real quick. I got a question.
Yes, sir.
Y'all have any like jet skis around here?
Jet skis?
Yeah.
Like to rent?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's... Are you familiar with anywhere around here?
No.
Okay.
It's my first time out here.
We in Orange Beach do not rent from the beachfront.
Uh-huh.
You have to go inside of the bay to rent it. I don't know specific companies.
There's a place by Oso. It's a restaurant. And I know there's another place that rents them out by the Carib.
The Carib
condo.
You know the name of them, or is this something I can look up?
Yeah, I'd say your best bet's looking it up.
It's called Carib. I'm trying to go jet skiing. I gotta go to the Carib, man. Gotta call the Carib, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I'm finna call them real quick, y'all. Now I gotta put my car information in. Online. As you see, man, I made it to the helicopter, bro. Never in my life have I ever been on a helicopter, but I'm about to now.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you? Look at that. Is that an old-fashioned camera?
Nah, this not the old fashioned. I just called you not too long ago.
Yeah. Sorry, my glasses just fogged up. I'm coming out.
Okay.
Y'all can come in.
Alright.
We just have that closed just because we're technically, I guess we're supposed to. How are y'all?
All right, I'm not riding. I'm
Why?
just mama.
Are you scared? Get it, and then you put it on your head. You got microphone close to your mouth as you can. Take all the pictures you want to while you're on the ride, but just walk it back and forth. We ask you don't take pictures of the video for this ride. And then there's 3 seats, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. Anybody going to the front?
I go front.
All right. Up at that red line, I'm gonna put Dad on first, and I'll put you behind him.
Brother. Big brother.
I'm sorry, brother. Okay.
Oh yeah, brother. I'm their mom.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. You look so young. Y'all just stop at that red line for me.
Okay.
Okay, brother first, okay? All right, brother. Don't step on that green.
Living life, but I'm so serious. Back on the road, I got some places to go. I cannot stop for this shit. I'm floating on flows. I got cement on my toes, building it brick by brick, and don't even know. Yeah, you don't know. You don't know how I'm coming for sure. Got some bands in the bag that I told. Maybe Gave me away just to get it. I was left fortunate, but now I done made it for real. Been on my mind a little heavily, but I keep pushing. I promise I will touch a meal. Now that I made me a killer, and I could do the greedy the way that I'm touching these bills. I got some niggas that don't even need no scope or the beam, they ready to kill. Okay. It's after dark, baby, just you and me. I love when you warm, I gotta perform, showcase my persona. People gon' hate cause I'm lit right now, don't want me to go up. Why the fuck would you hate on a nigga like me? I'm the type that'll show love. To the rocks, I'ma go, that's on everything. Block the hate on my side, I can't see a thing. I'm so up with the planes and the parakeets. From the mud, I got out with a pair of cleats. Broke the crest and we made it up out the streets. Loaf for bread in my pocket to feel complete. Need a pair of frog eyes on the Bentley B. With this life, it's high maintenance, I'm hard to reach. Tryna put up a meal for my family. It's a lot of fake love that doubted me. Tryna act like they innocent on the scene. I just stay in my lane and don't intervene.
Hey guys, come fly with us at Flybama in Foley, Alabama, right next to Owa. We've got helicopter rides starting at $35. Come see us.
Woo! Putting me down on this road.
How you were feeling like when we was in the air on the helicopter?
Well, I was kind of nervous, but you know, the trip was so fast.
By any means, get to the bread, bro. By any means, get to the bread. No matter what they say, get to the bread. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all ain't know, but y'all really be coming first sometimes, bro. Like, this the quietest spot in here, so I got a whole like, I hit a backflip in here for y'all. Like, I've been hanging around Avery too long. She be taking like everything I say, and she be talking like me now. And like I always be saying, "Cuz." Before I met Avery, bro, I never said "cuz." That's the only thing I say that she say. Now she take my whole dictionary, she got my whole lingo, bro. She gotta see about that. She really be trying to be me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she really be trying to be me, bro. I would say that y'all need to come and enjoy this time with your family, friends, whoever you wanna come out here with.
Grab a delicious, refreshing Pepsi for the road.
Work is busy, and I'm pretty much.
I ain't gonna hold y'all, but like ever since I got the new NCAA, I got signed to go to Auburn, bro. And like I ain't gonna lie, I've been playing that game every day. You know what I'm saying? I'm really like a game freak with this right now, bro. My record like 10-1. Number 7 seed. Come on now.